I am so fascinated by that one hair in the middle of my forehead.
Today we're unboxing the Simple Human mirror, sensor mirror. This is the fanciest mirror that I could find that was under $300. And we're gonna get the initial impressions of this. So what do you think of it so far?
It's a very sturdy.
Does it feel like an expensive item?
Yes, it does.
It is an expensive item. Ooh. Drop out. So while she's unboxing that, I guess we'll talk about it. It's got an automatic sensor, has maximum adjustability. I'm just reading from the box. Maximum adjustability. It's cordless and rechargeable. And this one actually has a bonus 10 times mirror. And it doesn't matter how the light is if it doesn't have a good color rendering index, because you want to see how the makeup looks in simulating real natural sunlight. Obviously natural sunlight's the best. What is that? Oh yeah, that's a hand mirror that attaches through magnets to the center of the mirror. Comes with a little carry case.
Ooh, you look great, it say.
Oh wow.
Thank you, mirror.
Okay, good. Very good. It's got this USB plug thing
Oh
here.
my god, too much information. Too much information.
It's a 5X and a micro USB charger plug. Let me just explain that.
So it comes. So it comes with this mirror cleaner wipe. This detachable or attached thing. I think that you're supposed to put it on top of the mirror for zoom in purposes.
Yeah, just attach it. Let's see. I think that's it. You just attach it to the middle.
Oh
there
my
you go.
gosh.
Yeah.
For more information on your face. And then I guess
I wonder if it comes with any charge. No, it doesn't.
it has a power
Micro
USB slot,
which I'm just gonna plug in from my battery pack here.
and it comes with the plugged in.
Oh,
If you
look,
need
it lights up. It lights up when you're to let you know it's charging.
Share the love, Simple Human. It's a 5-year warranty.
Good.
So you turn it on. What's the button to
Oh,
turn
it's
on?
missing. You got the. Oh, there it is. Oh.
Oh.
Ooh, oh my.
Oh my lord, that's a lot of information.
Where's the on button?
I don't know.
It's supposed to do it by automatic.
Right here,
when,
it's
when you
underneath.
touch it. Okay. Well, what do you think so far?
My nose.
Okay, you gotta angle it at an angle so that we can actually see your expression.
My face? My nose?
No, don't be like that.
Oh, there's more. My eyes cross. Oh.
Okay.
I can see a hair right here that I normally usually don't see. I have a unibrow. Come here. Look at this.
Unibrow. It's just
This one hair right here.
Oh, because you're using
The magnifying
the
glass.
10 times magnet. If you look at this, you're gonna look cross-eyed.
And
Unless you get it really close.
And you have a hair right
No,
here.
yeah.
Oh man,
Oh, jeez. Okay.
that is an odd hair to have right there. Okay.
Okay.
Wow, that's just awkward.
So,
This is good for people who wear glasses when you put on makeup, because then it's just really magnifying it already.
yeah, I definitely did not need to wear glasses looking at the 10 times for sure.
Yep.
But you look a little cross-eyed until you bring it up really close.
There's a lot of stuff you never seen before. Oh wow, that is a lot of information. You can just usually you can just ignore it or like Oh wow! See,
Oh.
that is very. I can't even see that clearly.
So we will agree the clarity is right there.
It's too much.
Oh, the light dimmed by itself until you moved up.
The smart light.
So apparently to turn it on, you press the on-off button. The light automatically turns on as you approach. When the battery is low, indicator ring will turn red. You just plug it in to charge. This is the top part. There's a black bar up there as a sensor window. Not intended to be used in wet environments. Don't submerge in water. That's about it. I mean, the instructions seem pretty simple. And I remember when I first saw this, I thought it would be an awesome gift for someone. But now that you're looking at it, I think it's gonna cause a lot of insecurities with your face.
Stupid.
Yeah. I'll see the light dimmed by itself just now.
Yeah, because we're not looking at it anymore.
Yeah. See, that's one of the things I thought was really cool about it. And the light quality does look really good. I honestly thought it would seem a little bit more uniform, but that's just me being very picky. That won't affect the what you get from the mirror. Yeah.
We're holding it too close to the edge.
So if you didn't know what the price of this would be, what would you have guessed?
Me?
Yeah.
Couple hundreds.
Really? Well, that's only because I told you that these are a couple hundred.
No.
Yeah. But luckily it's not a couple hundred. Well, actually...
Look at the hair.
You know, I wonder if I could use this as a separate face light. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Like you're doing, let's say you're doing a webcam broadcast and you just have it right there outside a frame. It's good for live streaming. I think it could be pretty cool for live streaming. So that is one potential studio use for this besides putting on makeup. Like if you're doing a live broadcast and you put this right on top, just don't stare into it from further away. It'll make you look a little bit cross-eyed. I wish that this one had the one time and then the 5 time add-on, but this one is the 5 times and the 10 times add-on. Do you have a final conclusion or initial impression? Oh, does this thing rotate? It rotates.
Oh, very cool.
Okay.
It's very fancy. I think that.
Yeah.
I think we saw a different version of it, and I think that I always wanted one, but this is definitely better. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Well, that's it. If you're interested in getting this mirror and seeing things you've never seen before on your face, check out my link down below. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Let us know if you like videos like this. Bye.